Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So somebody I know was throwing away these hanging basket brackets. I think they're made of cast iron, and they were covered in this like protective coating of like a plasticky rubber, and over time it had perished. So I thought I'm going to have to get all that off to restore them. So I was going to have a fire that night anyway. I had lots of offcuts of wood, and I thought, why not throw them in the fire and see what happens. So I took them out of the fire. I left them in about 10 minutes, and as you can see, all that coating has burnt off. So I had a look at them the next day, and they looked just about ready to prepare. So I started off just giving them a good sanding. And I took my time with this. There was only 2 little brackets to do. I've got quite a fine grit on there as well. So when they were ready to prepare, when they were being prepared and ready to paint, they were quite an awkward shape. So I thought the easy thing to do would be to attach them to some wood, just so that they're upright and I can paint them more easily. And to paint them, I used some oil-based black gloss, which is usually used to paint like iron railings. And I just used a very small brush to get into all those awkward areas, and so as not to apply too much paint because I didn't want anything running. And I let that dry, and then I applied a second coat. And in the end I actually applied 3 coats, and when they were fully dry they looked practically brand new again, so they're good for another 10 years of use, or probably even longer. So if you found this video useful, please drop me a like and also comment. If you've got any questions, please let me know, and also consider subscribing for more videos if you haven't already. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.